The red fox, Vulpes vulpes, is the most widespread wild canine on Earth, found across North America, Europe, Asia, and even parts of North Africa. Recognized by its fiery red coat, sharp muzzle, and bushy tail, this animal is built for survival in almost any environment. Red foxes thrive in forests, grasslands, deserts, mountains, and even near cities, adapting easily to changing landscapes. They are solitary hunters, relying on intelligence rather than strength. With exceptional hearing, a red fox can detect rodents moving beneath snow or soil. Using a precise leap known as mousing, it pounces with deadly accuracy. Their diet is highly varied: small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, and carrion, making them true opportunistic survivors. During spring, fox cubs are born in underground dens. Both parents protect and teach the young essential hunting and survival skills. Red foxes communicate through body language, scent marking, and sharp vocal calls to defend territory. By controlling rodent populations and cleaning up carrion, red foxes play a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem balance. Small, clever, and endlessly adaptable, the red fox is a symbol of intelligence, resilience, and survival in the wild.